Welcome to the Aura Stone Sanctuary, a $185 million masterpiece in Kyoto. This 65,000 square foot billionaire retreat perfectly blends raw nature with uncompromising modern luxury. Step into the grand foyer, where raw Kyoto stone meets absolute billionaire luxury and refined gold accents.
Glide through this sweeping corridor carved directly into the mountain, illuminated by hidden, warm, gold glow lights.
Experience ultimate serenity in the primary living lounge with double-height ceilings and panoramic nature views and outside.
This Master Show kitchen features seamless sandstone islands and professional matte gold fixtures for world-class entertaining. Dine in total opulence, surrounded by rugged rock walls and soft amber light in this formal space.
The executive home office offers a tranquil sanctuary with minimalist wood desks and inspiring cliffside rock textures.
Rest in the primary master bedroom, where soft light filters through rock skylights onto polished beige floors.
Indulge in the master ensuite, featuring a carved stone soaking tub and warm, golden ambient lighting everywhere. Revitalize your soul in this indoor spa shower with warm water cascading over naturally carved rock walls.
Descend this secondary staircase where raw stone architecture meets the glowing warmth of hidden LED edge lighting.
Your guests will never want to leave this VIP suite, featuring private views and ultra-minimalist rock architecture.
This guest bathroom features a stunning solid sandstone vanity and designer gold faucets for a premium feel.
Explore the walkout basement lounge, where the mountain's core creates a cozy and incredibly safe billionaire sanctuary.
The hidden prep kitchen is a chef's dream, with professional appliances tucked away in carved rock niches.
Savor the finest vintages in this wine-tasting lounge, where rugged rock meets refined golden accents.
Find your ultimate zen in the massage suite, featuring natural rock walls and warm amber glow lighting. Even the kids enjoy billionaire luxury in this spacious suite with organic textures and soft, warm light. Host intimate gatherings in this dining extension lounge, where solid rock tables meet expansive nature views. Retreat to this private sitting lounge, where minimalist beige sofas rest perfectly within a quiet rock alcove.
Detoxify your body in the private sauna and steam room, glowing with hidden amber light and heat.
Experience absolute tranquility as you glide through this corridor, illuminated entirely by hidden, warm, golden edge lighting.
The staff quarters offer premium comfort with refined sandstone floors and beautifully integrated warm acoustic wood ceilings.
Walk over water on this transparent glass bridge spanning an indoor koi pond nestled within mountain rock.
Even chores are elevated in this luxury laundry room, featuring seamless sandstone finishes and matte gold appliances. Look down from the upper floor overlook, where sweeping rock architecture meets the colossal grand foyer below.
Experience cinematic excellence in this plush velvet theater with immersive sound and incredible rock-carved ceiling details. The residential security room features advanced technology integrated into an ultra-secure and incredibly stylish carved stone chamber. This private interior courtyard features a thriving garden atrium surrounded by majestic carved rock and glass walls.
Unwind in the reading lounge with minimalist wood furniture nestled into a cozy alcove of raw sandstone.
Find complete inner peace in this yoga room with soft sandstone textures and dreamy natural light filtration. Experience the ultimate efficiency in this service corridor with polished sandstone floors and professional gold architectural accents.
Relax on this interior poolside deck, featuring plush sandstone beige loungers and stunning carved rock architecture.
Experience seamless living with massive glass partitions that glide into the rock to connect these grand spaces.
Enter through the designer mudroom, featuring custom sandstone storage and refined gold accents for ultimate daily convenience.
Enjoy your morning coffee in this sunlit breakfast nook, tucked away into a cozy carved rock alcove. Even the utility spaces are designed with perfection, featuring sleek matte gold shelving and refined stone finishes. Indulge in the Moroccan-inspired hammam, featuring intricate gold patterns and steam rising against raw basalt walls. The home library offers a majestic reading space with custom wooden shelves carved directly into the mountain.
Park your collection in this massive carved stone garage, featuring polished floors and incredible warm golden spotlighting.
At night, the sanctuary transforms as hidden golden LEDs highlight every organic curve of the mountain rock.
Discover the climate-controlled glass wine vault, where elite vintages are stored against naturally chilled mountain stone.
Travel between floors in this stunning glass elevator, showcasing the intricate layers of the mountain's raw stone. Relax in the upper-level family lounge, where modern comfort meets the organic majesty of Kyoto stone.
Gather around the fire in this cozy lounge featuring a minimalist hearth carved into solid sandstone rock.
Organize your life in this massive walk-in closet, featuring floor-to-ceiling glass and matte gold hardware.
Relax under the sun in this skylit terrace lounge, where organic rock meets soft sandstone beige comfort.
The butler's pantry offers incredible organization with gold racks and stone surfaces for seamless, high-end entertaining.
End your journey in the Horizon Lounge, where the vast scale of carved stone reaches its peak.